today we're going to learn a very, very important part, which is a math calculation, math contest or regular math when you're in grade 8. That is the hardest part in the entire, I think, before the high school. Okay, so everybody, this is a part that which is very important. I may use 2 classes to finish this chapter. So Evan and Violet, if you feel there's something that you don't understand or whatever, stop me directly. We only have two kids today, so that means you have more time and you have more chances to just ask me all the questions you want. Understand, Evan? Which is really good, right? Because if there are 4 or 5 people, I need to separate my attention to 4 or 5 people. Today, only 2 of you. So I just want you to be fully focused because this part is really hard and really, really important. Usually for the AMC 8, the last 5 questions at least have one of those questions with using the similar triangle concept. Understand, everybody? Okay, so I want you to focus on this one, okay? So there are 2 triangles, okay? If the 2 triangles is having the same sides and the same angle, we call them same triangles. Okay, I want you to write down these ones on your notebook first. Okay, so what is this differences between same triangle and similar triangle? Okay, everybody? Get it, everybody? So if it is same angles, but not same size, we called it similar triangle. So Evan, I want to ask you a very simple question. What is the same and a similar means? What is the differences between same and similar?
Similar is like very close, but not exactly the same, and same's exactly like.
Very good, very good. Okay, Evan. So the similar triangle Violet is having the same angles and not same size, but the size is having a relationship. What? Ratioed relationship. Okay, so for instance, we have 2 triangles ABC and DEF. Okay, Violet and Evan, take a look, okay? So A equals D, C equals F. So of course, B will equals E. Do you know why? Because all the angles plus together equals 180 degrees. So B must be equals to E because they are minus the same angles. Okay, so all the sides is actually having the relationship AB to DE equals AC to DF equals BC to EF. For instance, if I have a 5 and I have 12 and I have, sorry, I should have 13. I just made it up, okay? So 12. So the other one must be 10, 26, and 24. Understand, Evan? Because all of them are equals to the same ratio. Okay, please copy these down on your notebook. Okay, so when you finished, please let me know. Okay, Evan and Fish. Evan the scared fish. Evan, why you're scared of fish? What happened?
Lots of info.
Yeah.
My-
But I'm going to be really slow, okay, Evan? If there's any part you don't understand, you can stop me, okay? So I am going to ask all of you after you finish copying, I will ask you to create a similar triangle yourself. So by how? Violet, take a look, okay? So on your own page, you're going to write something like that. And you're going to just write something, for instance, let me show you. So just see, this is 30, this is 80, and this is what? 70. I'm sorry, this is 70, this is 30. Sorry, I have to make it, it doesn't have to be precisely right, but you cannot make it up like everything's not right? So 30, sorry, 70 and 30. And for this one, it should be 80, 70, and 30 as well, in order to make them similar, right? And I want you to name them. For instance, if this one is 5, this one is 10, and this one is 7, and this one, you can make it what? 15, 30, and 21. Get it, Violet and Evan? I want you to make one of your own similar triangles, okay? So let me just share the screen with you. You can just directly do on my screen. Okay, see, that's a benefit of only have 2 kids. So this is Violet's and this is Evan's. So you just directly do your similar triangles on my screen.
Carrie, I
Mhm.
can't draw.
You can draw?
I'm on an iPad, not a computer.
iPad 也可以画的呀。你去
I
那个
don't see the.
annotation，不用 pen，你就用手应该就可以啊。
Yeah, I know. I found it now
嗯哼。
because I couldn't see where it was. I'll do it. And
对啊，可以啊。
My triangle keeps on getting erased.
Who did it?
I don't know. I think it erased itself. Yeah, I can't draw my big triangle because whenever I draw a line, the other line disappears.
Can I do it for you?
Okay.
So this one is what? 80?
Yeah.
This is 20?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so do you want to put the like side? You can just put the number here. like A, B, C. You can see A equals what, B equals what, and C equals what, and this is D, E, F. I'll help you. So D equals what, and E equals what, and F equals
Okay.
what. Mhm. Okay. 我们来看看 Violet。Okay, Violet, good. The angle. 你们两个怎么是一样的？你们两个 angle. Exactly the same. Okay, Violet, you tell me. Okay, I'll help you. Okay, so A equals what? B equals what? And C equals what? D equals what? And E equals what? And F equals what? Okay, Evan, good job. You did really good. Okay, Violet, just wait, Violet, for the definition of the all the sizes measurement. Okay, Violet, you don't understand this part, okay? 你看自己弄一下还是有用的啊，对不对, Evan? Okay, so Violet, did you notice that? Because these two triangles, we see these two triangles are similar. So the angle must be exactly the same, but the sides must be ratioed. Violet, understand what is the ratio to me? The ratio to me, they are having the same relationship because A to D, Violet 看好了 equals B to E equals C to F. They are having the relationship between each other. Understand, Violet? Okay, so you take a look at Evans, and obviously A is shorter than D, B is shorter than E, and C is shorter than F. So that's why it's 12 to 24, 24 to 48, and 5 to 10. They all having the answer will be what? 2. Get it, Violet? So now I give you some time. Today we have enough time for two of us. So I want you to fix it. And Evan, if you have time, you can just do it on your own page as well, okay? Okay. So Violet, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so you put the number here. Evan, could you please tell me if there's any problem with the Violet's data? 有没有
I don't think so.
You don't think
Maybe.
it's right or wrong?
I don't think it's wrong.
I think it's right. I don't think it's right. No, no, no. Everybody, you have to take a look at this one, okay? A is 5. Violet? D is 10. You tell me, this is 10. Fine. Ah? Yeah, so you need to reverse them, right? Yeah, you need to reverse them. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's the thing. We don't have to be precisely right, okay, Evan and Violet, but the data has to be true to the measurement. Like you have to say A is actually longer than D, right? So if you do 10 and 5, so yeah, so that's good. And let's see, okay, let's see. So Violet again. So you see D is here, okay? 啊，还是错啊，还是错啊 ，Violet 你写的 D 比 A 长还是比 A 短？而且你要看 D 和 C，这 F 在这里，对不对？你觉得 F 比 D 长，哎，没问题，对吧？但是 C 啊，这个 E 比 D 长还是短？不能随便乱画的呀，对不对？不能随便乱写的呀。Yeah, it's still wrong. You need to fix it.
Mhm.
那我们来看看 Violet，你看看啊，A 和 D，26 divided by 12，是不是一样的？你再看看清楚。哎呀，这个不行啊。现在对了。Okay, now it's right. Okay, finally. Okay, good job. Understand, Evan? I think by looking at Violet's mistakes, actually, you actually understand this concepts better. Correct, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so that's the same thing. Name pairs and equal angles and equal ratios of the sides in the two similar triangles. So how do we do it? Very easy. So it's A equals D. When you have the angles, everybody, you can see it's capital letter. Okay, C equals F and B equals E, right? And when we're talking about the measurement of the little sides, it's C over F equals A over D equals B over E. Okay, so everybody, you have to understand if you're starting with the bigger one, the first one, it's always first one, second one, first one, second one, first, second one. Okay, you cannot do C over F equals D over A because A, B, C is including into the one triangle and D, E, F is included into the other triangles. You cannot change the position. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We have a sample 2. Okay, so 2. So everybody, we have 2 triangles. They're similar to each other. And 2 to 6 equals 5 to x equals 7 to y. Understand? Okay, so now because this one equals 1 over 3, right? So 5 over x and 7 over y. So Evan, I want you to take a look at this one so we can just cross times together. So 1x equals 15. Get it? And we can cross times and 1y equals 21. Understand, everybody? Okay, so if you don't want to simplify, how do we do it? If the answer, the question cannot be simplified, how do we do it? The same thing, 2x equals 30, so x equals 15. Get it, Evan? And 2y equals 42, Violet, so y equals 21. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So the triangles can be told that they are similar to each other and also can be used another way to describe they're similar to each other. For instance, BF is parallel to the CD. Okay, this line is parallel to CD, 平行, 对不对? So we know this angle equals this angle, and this angle equals this angle, and A equals A. So triangle ABF is similar to triangle ACD. Okay, so based on that, we have AB to AC. Hello, Leo, equals AF to AD. And BF equals CD. Okay, this one, because if you take them out, it's like that. ABF is similar to triangle ACD, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, when you copy it down, so let's take a look at a question in below, okay? So let's see, calculate the value of x. Okay, please take a look at this one. And I give you some time, okay? You try to do it. If you don't, I can help you later. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we are going to, first of all, put A, B, C, D, E here for you to help you to understand how many questions, how many triangles are similar. So for this one, I know ABC is similar to triangle AED. Correct? So let's see. AC to AE equals AB to AD equals BC to DE. Correct? So AC equals 6, AE equals 4 plus 6, right? So AB equals 3. Sorry, AB we don't know equals what. It's still AB. And AD we don't know what is that. But we have BC equals 3 and DE equals X. So they want us to find out X. So this one's not relevant. So it's 6 over 10 equals 3 over X. Correct? So cross times. So 30 equals 6X. So X equals 5. Understand, Violet? Okay, so let's take a look at number 5.
Wait, can you go back to that thing I didn't copy it?
Okay.
And also, can you put like the writings all down?
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, when you copy, get you finished, everybody? Let me know, okay? Can I just move on, everybody? Okay,
Yeah.
let's take a look at this one, okay? So we're going to take a look at this one. So first of all, we need to find out if they are similar or not similar, right? So you can see if there's two angles, they are facing each other, obviously they are same. And we have this one, angle B obviously equals angle E, So whatever left, angle A and angle D must equals to each other. Correct, everybody? Because the triangles only have, if two of them are the same, the third one must be the same to each other. So we know triangle ABC is similar to triangle CDE. But there's a very important thing, okay, everybody, because the angle is same as B equals E. So I want you to do this one on your own page, okay? This part is very important, Evan, okay? So A, B, C, and you have to exactly have the same angle on the same position. So C, E, and D. Because A is same as D, B is same as E, and C is same as C. Get it, everybody? So now I put the measurement inside. AB, I don't know. AC equals 5 and BC equals 6. I know the measurement is not perfectly right, but at least the position is right. So CD is Y and CE is 10, and this one we don't know. We want to find out the value of Y. We know 6 over 10 equals 5 over Y. So cross times, so 6y equals 50. So y equals 50 over 6 equals 25 over 3. Get it, everybody? So this one is very important, okay? The position is very important. Get it, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take a look at the next one, okay? So when we have those ones, if you have a right triangles, okay, Evan, and you make a height out of the right triangles, triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC. Why? I can explain it, okay? Because C is a right triangle, and this one's a right triangle, correct? So one of the angle is the same already, and they share the same angle A. So that means the other left or third angle must equals to each other. If three angles are equals to each other, so they're what? They're right triangles. Correct, everybody? Am I right? Okay, sorry, they're similar triangles, okay? So first of all, I want you to do the same thing. Give the smaller one and bigger one, like exactly the position they want. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to do this D, A, and C. Why? Because this is a right angle, right? This is very important, right? So the right angle here is C, and A is still here, but A, oh, sorry, A is here because A is a smaller angle. So this is C. This is very important, okay? You cannot just randomly put this one. You can see A is a smaller angle. So because A is here, so B is here. So it's A, B, C, and A, C, D. Get it? And this is what? CD is Z. Okay, AD is 18, DB is 8. So that's why AB equals 8 plus 18. Get it, everybody?
Um,
Okay, so this one is 26, but don't forget, everybody. So we have a what? Z squared. Sorry, this is CD. So this one is not really useful, right? But everybody, you can take another one. It's another smaller triangle, which is D and C and B. This is also similar to each other, right? So this one is Z, and this one, oh, sorry, this is 8, and CD is Z. Okay, so you can see Z to 8 equals 18 to Z. So Z squared equals 100. So 144, right? So Z equals 12. Okay, everybody take a look. Okay, for this triangle, there are one triangle similar to each other, this one similar to each other, this one similar. Okay, take a look and let me know if you don't understand part of them. 老师去上个厕所啊，你们看一下这个地方有什么地方不懂。Okay,
Gary, can I go too?
of course you can go to washroom as well. Okay, Leo and Evan, the Violet, do you understand how to do this question?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move forward, okay? So let's just redo the exercise, okay? So which proportions are equivalent to x over 8 equals 2 over 3? Okay, so let's take a look at this one because 3x equals 16. So x equals 16 over 3. You can write it as 5 and 1 over 3, right? But let's take a look at this one. This one is 2x equals 24, x equals 12. So obviously A is not right. So 3x equals 16, x equals 16 over 3. That's one is right. But is there any possibility that C and D also right? So let's see. 3x plus 24 equals 40. You understand, Evan? Every single one need to time 3, okay? So 3x equals 16. So x equals 16 over 3. So C is also right. So D equals 2x equals 24, x equals 12. So D is not right. So the answer is B and C. Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. So complete each statement, okay? So 5x equals what? 5x equals 2.
Equals 2y.
Very good. Okay, so if m to n equals 9 to 5, so n to m equals 5 to 9.
9.
Very good. Okay, if 3c equals 4d, so we have 3c equals 4d. So c to d equals what? C over d equals 4 over 3. Because you can see if you times them, still 3c equals 4d. Okay, so please do B, D, and F yourself.
I'm done, Carrie.
Hello, everybody. So let's take a look at the first question. Okay, number B. Violet, could you please tell me, like A over B equals 3 over 7 and A over 3 equals what?
1/7.
So A over B equals 3 over 7. So we are going to take a look at this one. Okay, so Violet is 3B equals 7A, right? Did you get it? So we want 8 over 3. So how do we do it?
One.
You can just, no. You just switch 3 with B. So A over 3 equals B over 7. Get it? Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. So y over z equals 4 over 11. So we have y plus z over z equals what? Okay, so for this one is 11y equals 4z. Get it? So we want to plus z. So we just to plus 11 here. So it's 15 over 11. Okay, last one. Still, so you just switch 4 and x. So 4 became here, x became here. So 11 over x equals what? 4 over y. Get it, everybody? I give you some time, okay? So why y over z equals 4 over 11? So because y could equals 4, z could equals 11, correct? Right, so that's why y plus z over z could equals 4 plus 11 over 11. Okay, so let's take a look at number at G and the number H. Number G and number H, very similar to number D. If you understand number D, you can do number G and number H, okay? Okay, so I'm going to explain the number G. I don't know if any of you get it. Okay, Evan, the not scared fish. Good job, Evan. You're not scared anymore. Good job. So let's take a look at this one. 8, A over 5 equals B over 12. So obviously A is not equals to B, 5 is not equals 12, right? But if you switch A over B equals what? 5 over 12. Correct, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So what is A plus 5 over 5? So A could equals 5, correct? But we have what? We have 8 over 5 plus 5 over 5. Do you understand this one? So we don't really need 8 over 5 because A over 5, we already know it's B over 12. So 5 over 5 equals 1. So basically it's 1 plus B over 12. Okay, next one. X minus Y over Y equals 3 over 7. So we can see if Y equals 7, X equals what? Equals 10. So it's 10 over 7. You're done. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at the easy one, okay? So we're doing A, C, E. So these 3 questions, okay? Boys and girls, your turn. Sorry. First question, Evan, could you please tell me how to do it? The first one should be easy.
I forgot how to do it.
Ah, but just the cross times. 4x equals what?
21.
Very good. So x equals what? (21 over 4). Everyone understand? Okay, so 63, 5x equals 63, correct, Violet? x equals 63 over 5. Okay, last one is a little bit hard, okay? So x minus 2 times 7 equals x plus 4 times 3. So 7x minus 14 equals 3x plus 12. Okay, so we're moving for 3x over there, so 7x minus 3x. And this negative 14 over there will be 12 plus 14. So 4x equals 26, x equals 26 over 4, which is 13 over 2. Get it, Violet? Get it, Evan? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, number B. So x plus 3 times 2 equals 4 times 9. Okay, so 3 plus x equals 18, correct? Because you can see this one equals 36. So what times 2 equals 36? 18 equals 36. So x equals 15, correct? Okay, so the next one, x plus 4 times 5 equals x plus 8 times 3 equals 5x plus 20 equals 3x plus 24. So 2x equals 4, x equals 2. Okay, next one, x minus 4 times 7 equals x minus 3 times 5 equals 7x minus 28 equals 5x minus 15. So 2x equals 13, so x equals 13 over 2. Okay, so Violet, Evan, and Leo, I don't know where he goes. BDF, 3 questions. I want you to do it again on your own page. Is it okay? 重新做一遍啊，老师不把我的这个步骤擦掉，你们自己做一遍，自己做。如果不会了，再来看一下这个步骤。Understand? These questions, do you understand? 老师刚才又去上了个厕所，不好意思。All clear? Violet? 都会做了 OK 好，那我们现在 move forward.
嗯
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is getting harder. Especially for A, B, C, D, E 的 C 和 D, okay? So we're going to focus for the last 10 minutes, we just do these 6 questions, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So the first one is pretty easy, right? Because it's very straightforward. A, B, C is similar to D, E, F. So Leo, I want you to give me if A, B over D, E should equals to what? A, C over what?
DF.
AC equals DF over DF equals BC equals what?
EF.
Very good. Okay, number B. Number B, I want you to try to do this, everybody, and give me the exactly. So A to what equals B to what equals C to what, okay? Okay, Violet, you can see this long one is what? Is D, right? And F, B is to what? Is for F, and C is to E. Correct, Evan, not the scarefish? Leo? Okay, this one. We have to see this triangle is similar to this triangle, so that's why it's A to C. No, A to D. This line and this line are similar, correct, everybody? And this line is to this line. And I'm using different color. This line is to this line. Am I right, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, please write down the thing yourself. Correct, everybody? Oh, this is C, okay? So now let's take a look at the next one, number D. Okay, number D, number E, number F, you do yourself. Okay, I will going to help you. Take a look at this one, okay? So last 3 minutes, let's take a look at this one. So because this one, I'm going to just put ABC here for us to help you to understand EF, okay? So obviously B and E is the same. Okay, so A, E, ABC, similar to A. So A is similar to F, FEC. Get it? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEC. Okay, so we have AB over AC equals AB over FE equals AC over FC equals BC over EC. So AB is B, FC is D, AC is A, and FC is D, and BC is C, and EC is F. Okay, next one, because they are parallel to each other. So A over A plus C equals B over B plus D equals E over F. Okay, so last one. Okay, last one. Remember, it's like that. So we have C and C here. A and D
Jordan.
and B and E. So C over E equals D over C equals A over B. Okay, everybody? Understand, everybody? So that's the thing, okay? So today's homework will be exactly all the questions we did in the classroom. So if you have any questions, Evan, you can just go back and take a look at classroom's notes, okay? So Leo, this part is very, very important, especially for people who want to do good in the math contest. Similar triangle is the most important part in the entire like AMC history or whatever, I think, okay? So also we have reviewed the ratio and everything. I know that today's is not very easy, but I want all of you to try your best to do it. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.